Lead-free solder paste market report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global diabetic foot ulcer therapeutics market size will be $8,614.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America cell therapy processing market size of $1,886.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 21.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe cell therapy processing market size of $1,414.65 million. Asia Pacific cell therapy processing market size of $1,084.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 25.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America cell therapy processing market size of $235.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 22.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa cell therapy processing market size of $94.31 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 22.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.